Hi there, welcome back to the So Much More Than Accounts instructional videos. This one is about how to add a product record to So Much More Than Accounts. Now, there are actually three ways to add product records to So Much More Than Accounts. The simplest way, if you have a small number of records to add, is to simply type the data into the product records fields. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Secondly, if you've got more products to add, say 10 or more products, then you can upload them from a CSV. But the CSV takes time to prepare using Excel, and unless you've got at least 10 records to add, that can be actually a more complex way of doing it. Thirdly, So Much More Than Accounts can connect to your Shopify, Magento, Amazon or eBay store and download the product data from there. We'll show you that in a later video. But first of all, I'll show you how to add a product manually. To do that, you go to the Products, Product Records list, and then you click the New button, this button on the top right of the screen, plus New. That loads a form where you can enter the data to tell the system about the product that you want to add. It takes a second or so to load. Here it is. So you'll see this form has 4 tabs: Basic Info, Notes, Integration Data and Translations. But before you can go into these last 3 tabs, you need to enter the basic info and create the product. The first field that you need to set is this one, physical or service. You need to tell the system, is this product a physical product, a thing, or is it a service, something that has no physical nature but is still charged for when you provide it to the customer. This product that I want to add is a physical product, so I'll leave the default. You then need to enter the product name. You can see product name has a red star next to it. That means that a record can't be created without entering some data into this field. I'm actually going to call this test product 21. Next, I'm going to enter the stock code. Now obviously this isn't a required field, but it is important that we have a stock code for any product that we add to the system. So I'm going to call this test prod 21. Typically stock codes are text, or a combination of numbers and text, and normally we don't put spaces in them, although you can if you want to. Now I'm going to add a manufacturer. There's actually already a manufacturer created for testy prods, so I'm going to select that one. Alternatively, I could create a new record, a new manufacturer record, by clicking this button here. I'm not going to select a supplier. I'm going to leave this open to be purchased from any supplier, but I am going to add a product description. Now you can also use these controls to change the layout of the description, and this description will be copied across to web stores if you have any web stores connected to your account. The next important thing I need to enter is the EAN code. I'm going to enter a dummy EAN code for this product, but it's really important if you're going to have products in our warehouse, or if you're going to use So Much More Than Accounts to ship orders from your own warehouse, that you put the correct EAN code in here for the product. And then one more thing, I'm going to also enter a seller SKU, and in this case it's going to be the same as the stock code, which is normal. I'm going to set the country of origin. This thing is actually made in China, and if I had it I would put the HS code in here, but I'm just going to select a random one to provide some data. It's usually important to have the net weight, shipping weight and the dimensions if this is a product that you're going to ship, but in this case I don't have them, so I'm going to leave them for now and enter them later once the product arrives. The last 2 fields which are actually required, marked by a star, are the selling price and the expected next cost price. Selling price in this case I'm going to enter as £100, and the next cost I'm going to enter as 25. Both of these can only be set in the currency of your account. So you'll see that the expected next cost is in GBP and also the main selling price is in GBP. That's because this account is created to use GBP as its reporting currency. Selling prices are then calculated by the system based on exchange rate into any other currencies that are set up, in this case USD, Euros and Russian rubles. The last thing that I need to add for this product is at least one image. So I select add an image from your PC. I'm just going to select any old image and you can see it's now been uploaded as part of the product record. Finally, I hit create. And as long as you get this green new product created successfully pop up, the product has been created and you're now good to move on. The screen then reloads a new blank form, and if you want you can start again from the top and enter another product record or another set of information to create a new product record. Hope that helps and hope to see you soon.